Nachdem die Hand den Erfassungsbereich
After the hand has left the detection range of the sensor, the water can continue to run for a certain time. This time is called the run-on time, and it can be set individually. If there are high demands on hygiene, as in hospitals or doctors' offices, a long run-on time is advantageous. For example, to rinse soap residue from the sink. To adjust the run-on time, connect the remote control to the fitting. Select the menu item Configuration. Use the arrow keys to set the slider between 0 and 19 seconds at run-on time. Scroll all the way down with the arrow keys to transfer the new setting data to the fitting by pressing Send. The check mark in the upper right corner of the remote control display indicates that the transfer was successful. The factory setting for the run-on time is 1 second. However, if saving water is an important goal, the run-on time can even be set to 0 seconds.